In this video from Security Control Systems, we will show you how to delete user codes or fobs from the alarm system. Type in your master code. Press the menu button. Then press the yes button. Now use the down arrow to scroll to the Setup Users screen. Press the yes button. Now use the arrow keys to scroll to the user you wish to delete. Press the reset button. It will ask you if you want to delete that user. Press the yes button. Then press the menu button and then the reset button. The user code or fob is now deleted from the system.